Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, a very strong believer and implementer of the Indian ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and his outstanding actions are in the best at the hub for the Global Centre. And then, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know that Jamnagar already has a centre of repute, the IPRA, which is there. Jamnagar, in fact, has been able to carve
his solidarity through his presence today. I especially thank Director General WHO Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus for his visionary decision towards establishing WHO Global Centre for Traditional Medicine in Jamnagar, Gujarat, India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
One of the state-of-the-art traditional medicine systems that the world is familiar with in these contemporary times were born and bred in India. These practices were established thousands of years ago. Under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the path-breaking policy initiatives and new ideas of Government of India have ensured a monumental surge in the worldwide popularity of yoga and traditional Indian medicine on the world stage. And now, a landmark step in sync with the vision and efforts of the PM Narendra Modi towards Ayush and universal well-being is the establishment of the WHO Global Centre of Traditional Medicine in Gujarat.
WHO ने ग्लोबल सेंटर फॉर ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन इसकी स्थापना के लिए दुनिया में से भारत को चुना है और अब भारत में से दुनिया के लिए इस दिशा में काम है।
This will strengthen India's position as a global leader in research and innovation in the traditional medicine sector. This will also help in making traditional medicines more accessible to the masses. The state will also benefit from the growth of medical value travel as the milestone event puts India in the driving seat of the global traditional medicine sector. With an investment of $250 million from the Government of India, the Global Centre will give a significant push to preventive and curative healthcare for the people of the state. It will greatly enhance the scope of affordable and accessible healthcare to all. As the GCTM aims to strengthen and streamline the research and development activity in the traditional medicine sector through education and training, Gujarat is set to become a hub for education, learning and skill development.
That's the reason, ladies and gentlemen, why India and Gujarat for GCTM. Now, for India, ladies and gentlemen,
5 दशक से भी ज्यादा पहले जामनगर में विश्व की पहली आयुर्वेद यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना हुई थी, जहां एक बेहतरीन आयुर्वेद संस्थान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टीचिंग एंड रिसर्च इन आयुर्वेदा है। अब विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन का ये ग्लोबल सेंटर वेलनेस के क्षेत्र में जामनगर की पहचान को वैश्विक स्तर पर नई ऊंचाई देगा। साथियों, दिस इज फ्री रहना